Hi guys, Boris again here, and today I will show you how to make a sourdough starter. It's a wild yeast, so this is a healthier option than your dry active yeast. And the reason why I'm showing you how to make this one because it's been a week that the dried yeast in the supermarket is out of stock, and now I want to make bread. So if you have the same situation, you can make this. Yes guys, so this is the second day. Look, it's bubbling, so there's life inside. So this is how it looks like. Since it is cold here in Finland, I cannot find any other best place to keep my starter yeast or starter sourdough inside the oven. Take note, it's off. Hi guys, Boris again here for day 3. Now we can see that there's some activities inside. Sorry, my dog is drinking water for the sound. There's already activities inside. You can see some bubbles. And this morning, the peak of the starter was here. And now, it went down again here. So, that means we need to feed our starters. So guys, we are here on day 4. Hi guys, we are now in day 5. Hi guys, today is day 6, so hopefully today we can make bread. And if you can see, there's already life inside. So we will test the starter if it's already good for making bread. So we will do the float test. We will take approximately 1 teaspoon of the starter and we will place it in the water. If it floats, then we are good to go.